TimeNet Law's matter settings offer excellent flexibility for your billing. Let's take a look at some of these features now. Open a matter and click the Matter Settings button in the toolbar. By default, when invoicing for this matter, TimeNet Law will only include unbilled slips from this matter. If you'd like to include additional matters in this matter's billing, change this option to include all other matters, or only matters that are in the same group as this one. If a matter includes other matters in its billing, it becomes known as a master matter and is marked with the master matter icon. Click this icon in the matter window to see a list of all other matters that will be included in this matter's billing. The Group field lets you assign a group to this matter. Below, we have a row of tabs. The Password tab lets you lock this matter with a password. The Required Funds tab lets you set a minimum balance required in this matter's retainer accounts. The Slip Topics tab lets you create a list of topics for your slips. Slips can be assigned a topic from this list and then grouped and subtotaled by topic on the invoice. The Leads and Task Codes tab lets you set this matter up to use task codes for slip entry rather than manually typing the slip descriptions. Turn task code billing on with the checkbox, and if you are creating Leads 98B electronic invoices, enter your electronic invoice details into the Matter ID and Client Matter ID fields. At the top of the window, click the Timekeeper Settings tab. Here you can set the default slip type for this matter. For example, if this is a pro bono matter, you can make it so all new slips default to no charge. You can also customize how time is rounded for this matter. Below, you can set the default billing rate for each timekeeper and assign a percentage of this matter's revenue to each timekeeper. See the Timekeeper Revenue Allocation video for more information about this feature. Next, let's move on to the Billing tab. Here you can set a budget for this matter. If the budget resets, you can change the start date for the budget as well. And if you want to automatically discount this matter's total to prevent it from exceeding the budget, turn this option on. Billing Hold tells TimeNet Law to exclude this matter when you use one-click billing. The Recurring Fee option automatically creates a new flat fee slip on each invoice. Enter the name and the amount of the fee here. Contingent Billing lets you set the rules for billing this matter on contingency. Set the recovery amount, your take as a percentage, and what type of slips to charge for. Finally, you can choose to calculate your fee before or after deducting charged slips from the total. In the Parties tab, you can add people associated to this matter. Parties are used for conflict checks, and you can learn more about that in the Checking for Conflicts video. But parties are also used to split this matter's billing between two or more people. Each party can be responsible for paying a percentage of the bill. Set the percentage for each party, and TimeNet Law will create a separate invoice for each party, with the calculated total. When adding payments to split invoices, be sure you put the party's name into the From field, so TimeNet Law can correctly calculate payments and remaining balances for each party. Finally, the Custom Fields tab lets you add custom text fields to your invoice. There are a few other handy options in Matters. Under the View menu, you can show or hide columns and hide billed slips, so as a matter moves forward through multiple billing periods, only unbilled slips will show in the Matter window. That covers TimeNet Law's matter settings. I hope you've learned some new tricks.